Hi, this is King and welcome to Practical and Intuitive Management. This video is nothing different than the previous video, except that there is an added element, which is time. The first industrial revolution was in 1800s. It was the invention of steam engine, and this created speed in the process of working. In 1910, the second industrial revolution was the introduction of electricity, and this elevated the living standards of every people in the world. In 1980, the third industrial revolution introduced information technology, which increased efficiency and productivity of work. Today, we are in the fourth industrial revolution, and we haven't realized the productivity potential of our current industrial revolution. Many large organizations, especially traditional industry leaders, are still stuck in the 20th century ways of working. These organizations and management practices fuel the propagating nature of complexity. For example, the NBI. If you want to get an NBI clearance in the Philippines, it takes so much time to get yourself an appointment, and it takes so much time to get yourself a clearance also. Another, during job application, it's becoming harder and harder to get a job that you're good at because of the strict hiring processes. These organizations have dense bureaucratic structures and strict formal processes with rules and more rules. This is not the only structure that you can apply to your organization. You must find out the key factors of running your organization and focus on what is truly important, so that you can find out what structure can be applied best. Just like what we discussed in the previous video, the speed of industry evolution is so fast that people must be engaging all their intellect on the highest priorities so that their company can keep up with the market developments. In addition, customers are demanding more and more. They expect high quality, speed, reliability, low cost, and global consistency at the same time. Amazon. Amazon was ranked #1 most effective company in 2017. This was on the top 250 of management by Peter Drucker. Growing up, Amazon possessed a typical 20th century structure that involves layers of managers, bureaucracy, strict processes, rules, and so on. But they found out that the company wasn't delivering the creative solutions that they desired, so they stripped out bureaucracy and complexity. They installed an autonomous small team structure. Individuals were carefully selected to join teams that are famously no bigger that can be fed with 2 pizzas. Each team has the autonomy to work, decide, and execute as they see fit. There were still governing bodies to ensure alignment and coordination, as well as test the team with questions like how much the product would cost, how much it will sell for, and the potential launch date. But the team are accountable for performance and ongoing improvements. They have bred a culture that exemplifies agility and entrepreneurship and keeps complacency in check. The reality today is simply following rules and mechanical processes will not deliver the value required to win in the marketplace. As we progress to the fourth industrial revolution, machines will increasingly be able to do any task that can be defined with clear rules, processes, and standards. We need to free people from low-value work and allow them to focus on what will truly have the greatest positive impact on the business. This is how we will realize the productivity potential of our current industrial revolution. On the next video, we will discuss about organizational and individual opportunities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.